Alrighty, week 16. Boy, we are close, my friends. Friend, making a joke, Tam. I hope you're enjoying it. Listen, great job, by the way, on the week 15 Learn Together. I um, I love how you laid out, outlined the steps to do authentication. Those would be great to refer back to when you're doing it for your dev too. So bravo. One thing I'm going to say is that I'm going to release a schedule to you early. So it's located on Dev2. I don't know when you'll watch this, but whenever you do, check that out. And then for this coming week, I've decided to, on week 16, Learn Together. Now, by the way, you can, and I recommend continuing finishing out the development of the code up of the email. But what I want you to do for the work part, and you can talk about, if you did complete that part of it, which again, I recommend, but for the work part, I want you to actually watch my last year's Dev 1 for you, Dev 2, my last semester's review of that. Because even though there was more write-up, because we've had a longer time to cover these topics, it's the same thing, but I just want to make sure if there's any question about this that you can ask me here. But again, watch the whole thing, reply with any questions or clarification you might have. The only thing that I thought of as I was thinking about this is that the one thing and the way I did this and the one change I've made in relationship to Dev 2 or just suggest or requirements is that the code specific for your app needs, right? So for whatever your app needs, I would recommend that you, and I would like to see you write methods on the model versus just having it in the route. Now, the way I'm going to show it here, I put that in the route, but you can definitely see, and now that we've been through this, how you could write that code in the model and then just call the methods. And it's a more like best practices more to write it that way. So after watching this now and reflecting on this, if you have any questions, I got to stop touching the computer so I didn't do that. Let me know. Okay. So that would be the only thing. And again, when you look at that write-up for last semester, and again, keep in mind that was a 9-week class. This is a 18-week class. So then really, the last Learn Together is just a course feedback. And so working on Dev 2 is, of course, what you need to be thinking about. The only thing I added today, and I'm releasing this a little early for you, is to be able to sign up on the code review. So check the schedule yourself out for that code review. Okay, I think that's it. Rock on. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great weekend. Talk to you later.